Introduction. Why earn money online? In today's world, making money online is easier than ever. Whether you're just starting or you're an expert, the internet lets you work from home. Let's look at why online jobs are great and clear up some myths. Benefits of online income streams. Online jobs offer great flexibility. You can work from home opportunities and set your own hours. This means you can make money online in your free time. You get to balance work and life better and can earn extra cash when you want. There are also legitimate online income sources that let you make money without working all the time. This can help you make more money and be financially stable for the future. Debunking myths about making money online. Many think making money online is quick and easy, but it really takes hard work, skills, and learning. Another myth is that all work from home opportunities are scams, but there are many legitimate online income sources that are safe and real. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. By understanding the truth about make money online opportunities, you can start a journey to financial freedom and happiness. Freelance writing gigs for beginners. Looking for ways to make money online? Freelance writing is a great choice. It lets you earn extra cash from home. You can try content creation, copywriting, or technical writing to show off your skills. Freelance writing is flexible. You pick projects you like and set your own hours. This can lead to more paying work later, making it a smart choice for your future. Getting started with freelance writing. Start by finding what you're good at and what you enjoy writing. Are you great at writing blog posts or persuasive copy? Knowing your strengths helps you find the right freelance gigs. Then make a professional portfolio. This could be a website or a collection of your best writing. As you grow your portfolio, look for online jobs for beginners and work from home opportunities that match your skills. Remember, making money with freelance writing takes time and hard work. But with persistence and a focus on getting better, you can earn extra cash and create a steady, legitimate online income source. Freelance writing opportunities typically pay within these ranges. Content creation, like blogs, articles, and social media, pays about 5 to 50 cents per word. Copywriting for websites, brochures, or ads can earn you $50 to $500 per project. Technical writing, such as manuals, tutorials, and guides, usually pays 10 cents to $1 per word. To succeed in freelance writing, keep improving your skills, build a strong portfolio, and connect with clients. With hard work and a focus on quality, you can turn your writing into a steady online job for beginners and a legitimate online income source. How to earn $75 a day online for free as a beginner in 2024. In today's digital world, there are many chances to make money online if you're a beginner. You can look for work-from-home opportunities, ways to make money online, or legitimate online income sources, but you need to have realistic goals and the right skills. Setting realistic expectations. Earning $75 per day online for free as a beginner isn't easy. It takes time, hard work, and a good plan. The journey to earn extra cash online has its ups and downs, but with the right mindset, it can be very rewarding. Essential skills for beginners. To succeed in online jobs for beginners, work on these key skills: strong written and verbal communication, proficiency in digital tools and platforms, adaptability and problem-solving abilities, time management and self-discipline, and a willingness to learn and continuously improve. By improving these skills and staying positive, you'll be ready to make the most of the $75 per day online for free chance in 2024. The key to making money online is to start small, think big, and never stop learning. Anonymous. The journey to earn $75 per day online for free as a beginner isn't easy, but with the right attitude and the right online jobs for beginners, the benefits can change your life. Microjobs and crowdsourcing platforms. In today's digital world, microjobs and crowdsourcing platforms are changing the game for beginners wanting to make extra cash online. These platforms let you do small tasks, called microjobs, and get paid for them. If you're looking for work from home opportunities, want to make money online, or just want to earn extra cash, these sites are a great place to start. Top microjob sites to get started. Two top microjob sites are Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk, and Fiverr. MTurk, run by Amazon, lets you do a variety of microjobs like data entry, surveys, and content moderation. Fiverr is a go-to for online jobs for beginners, where you can sell your skills like writing graphic design or virtual assistants for $5 per task. Platform description: earning potential Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk. a crowdsourcing marketplace for a variety of micro-tasks, such as data entry, content moderation, and online surveys. Earnings can vary, but some users report earning $75 or more per day on mTurk. Fiverr, a popular freelance services marketplace where you can offer your skills and services starting at $5 per task. The earning potential on Fiverr is highly dependent on the services you offer and your ability to market yourself effectively. By using microjob and crowdsourcing platforms, beginners can start making legitimate online income. They can explore many work-from-home opportunities to make money online and earn extra cash. The key is to have realistic goals, improve your skills, and always deliver quality work. This will help you build a good reputation and increase your earnings over time. Online surveys, a legit way to earn cash. If you're looking for an easy way to make more money online surveys are a good choice. Many people think they're not worth it, but they can actually help you earn some extra cash from home. Online surveys are flexible, so you can do them whenever you have free time. You can fill them out while watching TV, on your commute, or during a coffee break. This makes them perfect for those wanting work-from-home opportunities or extra cash alongside their jobs. Top online survey platforms to consider: Swagbucks. Earn cash and gift cards for completing surveys, watching videos, and performing other online tasks. Survey Junkie offers a wide range of online surveys across various topics with quick and easy payouts. Inbox Dollars combines online surveys with other legitimate online income sources like reading emails and playing games. To make the most of online surveys, be consistent. Set aside time each day or week to fill them out. Don't get discouraged if you don't qualify for every survey. With patience and effort, you can earn more through these flexible and legitimate online income sources. Online survey platform, average earnings per hour, minimum payout threshold, Swagbucks, $1 to $3, $5, Survey Junkie, $1 to $3, $10, Inbox Dollars, 50 cents to $1.50, $30. Online surveys won't make you rich, but they can be a great way to earn extra money from home. With some time and effort, you can start making money through these legitimate online income sources. Monetize your skills with online tutoring. Online tutoring is now a great way to earn extra cash from home. If you know a lot about a certain subject, you can share your knowledge online. This is a great way to make money online and find legitimate online income sources. Subjects in high demand. The online tutoring world is booming, with some subjects being more popular than others. Here are some of the top subjects for online tutoring jobs for beginners. Mathematics from elementary to advanced levels. Science subjects such as biology, chemistry, and physics. Foreign languages including Spanish, French, and Mandarin Chinese. English language and literature. Computer science and programming. By focusing on these subjects, you can become a sought-after online tutor. You'll connect with students who need personalized help and support. Sell products or services on digital marketplaces. In today's world, online marketplaces have changed the game for people wanting to make money online and earn extra cash from home. These digital marketplaces let you turn your hobbies, skills, or unique items into a great online job and legitimate online income sources. Selling on these platforms lets you reach customers all over the world. Sites like Etsy and Fiverr let you show your products to millions of buyers. This means you can sell your art, crafts, or services to people far beyond your local area. These sites make it easy to set up your online store and start selling. To start, look for the best digital marketplaces for what you want to sell. Check out the rules, fees, and competition to find the right place for your work-from-home opportunities. Then, make your listings stand out with great photos and detailed descriptions. Success in selling online means you need to market your products well and give great customer service. Talk to your customers, answer their questions fast, and improve your listings based on what they say and market trends. Using digital marketplaces can open up many ways to make money online and turn your hobbies into a successful online job. Start looking into these platforms now and move towards financial freedom and earn extra cash from home. Passive income ideas for beginners. Earning passive income is a great way to boost your earnings and secure your financial future. For beginners, there are many passive income options that match your skills and interests. Affiliate marketing is a top choice for many. Affiliate marketing fundamentals. Affiliate marketing lets you make money by promoting products or services. It's a great work-from-home opportunity that doesn't require a lot of money or inventory. You can make money online easily. To start with affiliate marketing, here's what you need to do. Pick a niche you love or know a lot about. This makes creating content easier and helps you connect with your audience. Look for affiliate programs that fit your niche. Amazon, eBay, and ClickBank are good places to begin. Set up a website or online space like a blog or social media to share your content and affiliate links. Keep making content that's useful and naturally includes your affiliate links. Use SEO and social media to get more people to visit your content and click on your links. By using these affiliate marketing basics, you can earn extra cash and start a passive income stream as a beginner. The main thing is to offer real value to your audience and always promote legitimate online income sources. Maximizing your earning potential. To earn $75 a day online, managing your time well is crucial. Using your time wisely can boost your productivity and earnings. Let's look at some strategies to help you make the most of your online income. Time management strategies. For online jobs for beginners and work-from-home opportunities, good time management is key. Here are some tips. Prioritize your tasks. Make a daily to-do list and sort tasks by importance and deadlines. This helps you focus on what's most important for your make money online goals. Eliminate distractions. Cut down on time-wasting activities like social media and email. Set specific times to focus on your legitimate online income sources. Batch similar tasks. Group tasks that are alike and do them all at once. This makes you more efficient and less stressed from switching tasks too often. Utilize productivity tools. Check out time management apps, browser extensions, and software. They can automate tasks, plan your day, and track your progress. Take breaks. Make sure to take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Short breaks can actually help you earn more. Time management tip. Benefits for online earning. Prioritize tasks. Helps you focus on what's most important for your income goals. Eliminate distractions. Makes you more productive by cutting down on time wasting and staying focused. Batch similar tasks. Makes you work more efficiently and reduces stress, letting you work better. Utilize productivity tools. Automates tasks and gives you insights to use your time and earnings better. Take breaks. Keeps you from burning out and keeps your energy up so you can work longer. Using these time management tips can make your workflow more focused and productive. This way, you can make the most of your online jobs for beginners and other work-from-home opportunities. Building an online presence and personal brand. In today's digital world, having a strong online presence and a clear personal brand is key to earning money online. It's essential whether you're starting with online jobs for beginners or looking into work-from-home opportunities. A solid online identity can lead to many legitimate online income sources and ways to make money online. To build your personal brand and online presence, you need to take several steps. Here are the main actions to take to stand out in your field and draw in opportunities. Craft a compelling online profile. Make sure your social media, professional websites, and portfolios show off your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Leverage social media strategically. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to share your knowledge, connect with others in your field, and talk to your audience. Become a content creator. Keep making and sharing valuable content like blog posts, tutorials, or articles to become a trusted source in your area. Collaborate with others. Look for chances to guest post, write for industry magazines, or work on projects with others to grow your audience and trust. Nurture your online relationships. Talk with your followers, answer their questions, and build real connections with your online community to keep a loyal group of supporters. Putting effort into building your online presence and personal brand can really change the game when you want to earn extra cash and find work-from-home opportunities. Being seen as an expert in your area helps you draw in online jobs for beginners and legitimate online income sources. Key elements of a strong online presence and benefits of a defined personal brand: consistent and professional online profiles, engaging social media presence, thought leadership content creation, collaborative industry relationships, and a responsive and engaged online community. These lead to increased credibility and trust, a competitive advantage in the job market, the ability to attract targeted opportunities, higher earning potential and income streams, and expanded reach and influencing power. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Starting your journey in online jobs for beginners and work-from-home opportunities can be exciting, but it's key to know the pitfalls that might slow you down. I'll share some common challenges and tips to help you earn extra cash safely and succeed with legitimate online income sources. Unrealistic expectations. Many beginners set unrealistic goals. The internet is full of work-from-home opportunities, but making a steady online income takes time and effort. Don't fall for quick money schemes. They're often scams that can leave you disappointed and out of pocket. Lack of skill development. To succeed in online jobs for beginners, you need certain skills. Whether it's freelance writing, online tutoring, or affiliate marketing, learn what you need. Growing your skills will help you earn extra cash and build a lasting online income. Time management challenges. Working from home has its perks but also challenges. Good time management is key to avoid issues like procrastination and missing deadlines. Create a routine, set boundaries, and focus on your tasks to stay productive while making money online. Being aware of these common pitfalls and how to overcome them will help you earn extra cash and succeed in online jobs for beginners. Remember, staying consistent, dedicated, and open to learning are the secrets to success in work-from-home opportunities. Conclusion. As we wrap up this guide on making $75 a day online for free in 2024, I hope you're feeling ready and eager. You now know about many ways to make money, from freelance gigs to online surveys and passive income streams. The main thing is to keep going, stay focused, and always be open to learning more. Remember, making money online takes time and hard work, but it can change your life. By using your skills, you can make extra money and live a life that's flexible and fulfilling. So don't hesitate to start looking into legitimate online income sources that match your interests and goals. When you start your work from home opportunities and side hustles, remember to build a strong online presence and brand. This will help you stand out and open up more remote employment and make money online chances. With the right attitude and plans, you're on your way to reaching your financial goals and living the life you dream of. FAQ. What are the most common online jobs for beginners? Beginners often start with jobs like freelance writing, micro jobs, and online surveys. They also explore virtual tutoring and selling on digital platforms. How can I earn $75 per day online for free as a beginner in 2024? To make $75 daily online for free, check out freelance writing, micro jobs, and surveys. Also, consider virtual tutoring and affiliate marketing for passive income. What are the benefits of earning money online? Earning online lets you work from anywhere and have flexible hours. You can also earn passively and secure your financial future. How do I get started with freelance writing? Start by building a portfolio and applying for freelance gigs. Keep improving your writing to attract better clients. What are the top micro job sites for beginners? Top sites for beginners include Amazon Mechanical Turk, Fiverr, Clickworker, and Upwork. These sites offer small tasks for quick cash. Are online surveys a legitimate way to earn extra cash? Yes, online surveys can be a real way to make extra money. Just use trusted platforms and know your earning limits. How can I start earning passive income as a beginner? Start with affiliate marketing to earn by promoting products or services. It's a way to make money without constant work. What are some common pitfalls to avoid when earning money online? Avoid scams, overworking, and not building a brand. Also, don't forget to manage your time well.